Here I am again, guys. Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating another 1976 Cadillac radio. That's a very popular radio, and they usually come with pretty much the same problems, too. This comes from James in, I guess it's Kenneth, Oklahoma. I'll have to look up that city before I send it back. And James has requested the FM conversion. Well, it's already FM, but the modern conversion internally with the Bluetooth and USB and my master input-output box for connection to an external amplifier and stuff. And then in this case, he has it wired to the original connectors instead of a new harness, so you don't get that big increase in output power, but power output's roughly equal to the original electronics. So I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station RC, so let's test the balance and fader functions.
Visiting of certainly security measures around state capitals as a result.
I'm going to activate the front rear fader.
I mean, I think that this is something that we need to address. Right, left, we have to get together.
Fader adjust.
When it comes to policy,
but
front. Always do it in an agreeable, civil way.
Now, this comes against the backdrop of the murder in Charlotte.
I'm going to center him.
So I am curious, does Alec Duke...
Fader set.
Okay,
Do you
and now we'll adjust the left-right balance.
The prison systems and cash bail initiatives.
Balance adjust.
Economics-driven,
All the way left.
education reform-driven, the American Legislative Exchange Council, nonpartisan, Democrats and
Okay,
Republicans
center
can
those.
belong to it. If you want to know what's going on,
Balance set.
Okay, so we don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
John?
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you
Sure,
heard
a
that.
task force at
And
Alec that deals with things.
let's make sure it plays
as
music stored on a USB stick.
All the way to addressing violent crime and so many of these issues that we're seeing right here in Washington, D.C. Surprise, surprise.
Okay.
People are back on the street.
Okay, now let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Put under his authority. First 5.
Give you a fresh start. Our passion. Radio Network.
It's hard for me to say I'm sorry.
Reset that one.
I just want
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
you're the answer to my prayer. Gonna stay at Heartbreak Hotel. Now I know where you stay for me. Back home, stay for me. Well, I wonder, is it true? Husha, husha, bye, bye. Johnny, you're the husha, husha, bye, bye. Oh, his pretty little son.
Okay, and there we go. And as we can see, the dial light works because on this radio it has to be able to see the tuning pointer. So that takes care of that. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And you can also call me at 928-533-9666. And thanks so much for watching and listening. And thank you, James, for your business all the way from Oklahoma. And we'll see you guys next time.